Well, my name is Michael Fisher Edwards, and I'm the councillor candidate for the Greater Portmore North Division in the South St. Catherine constituency. I'd just like to big up some of my communities who have supported me over the years. Big up to Quarry Hill, Clifton, Dunby Holding, Monza, Daytona, 1, 2, 3 North, Nago Head, and all the rest that I didn't mention. I am here once more to represent you and carry out the good work that we have been doing from 2012. We have had tremendous achievements throughout the division. Namely, we have acquired land ownership tenure for hundreds of residents in Clifton and Quarry Hill. We have done a major road development program in Quarry Hill. We have done a tremendous multi-purpose court in Monza, which serves the communities of Monza and Daytona. We have completed a very nice road work in Nago Head community, namely at White Lane. We have done a lot of educational assistance to residents throughout the division. Just want to say we have also done road networks in Quarry Hill, Clifton, Dunby Holding, and for Dunby Holding, we have erected a state-of-the-art multi-purpose court and rehabilitated the football field, and we have also fenced the entire sports complex in Dunby Holding. For the future, in my division, I would like to see to the erection of a skills training center in Clifton, which has already been approved by the Sugar Transformation Unit. Also, I'd like to do some upgrade to the basic schools throughout the division. And one other thing is that I'd like to see more of my residents stepping up the ladder as it relates to their educational standard, because that's what will take us further as a community. Vote for me, Michael Fisher Edwards, on November 28th to continue the progress throughout our division. The People's National Party, with the people, for the people.